Papa Giorgio? Just confirm to me I'm live, right? Yep, I am. I am live. Okay. Yes, I'm live. Great. How are you, Papa Giorgio? Did you trade today? Something. Sorry, stuck in a short. What? In a short? What did you short it? I did not took no trades today, so I'm waiting for the higher from yesterday. I marked the higher from yesterday. Hi, Real Rus. I marked the high from yesterday and I want to see how the price reacts around here. It looks like it rejected, so I'm waiting to cross the EMA. Not to cross, to pass the EMA down and maybe take a short on US. Practically, sister, good morning. What question? When you put your levels out, you're using to fill the candle. When do I put the levels? When I see a level that is formed, and when I open my charts in the morning. Or you're using to fill candle within full candle wick. So this one right here, look, it's on 5 minutes. I put my levels on 5 minutes, and I put the full you see here, the full candle, this red candle. That's how I marked. Sometimes I just mark it in a rush. I'm not, you know what I mean? Like this one, the correct one will be like this here. But some people, they just mark the wig. Some people mark this is just a candle that I marked. Sometimes you can mark like many candles, like in sometimes the area is formed by 1, 2, or 3 candles. This area right here is 1 candle. You can see this candle. This area right here is 1 candle. Let me look for an area where will be 3 candles. Look, this area, you will be still 1 candle, but it include, let me look. I want to show you this area right here, for example. I'll mark it. That will be 2 candles involved, the red and the green. 3. This one is 3 candles. This one, it's this right here. Hello. I used this method today on NQ. It was perfect. The break and retest. Let me go back. Let's look at the NQ. I'm really curious, where did you use it? Here was a nice entry also. You see the area that was formed here? It was a consolidation, the white line. And even here, it gave me a retest. Nice, another retest here of this area. Nice. Let's see, NQ. Oh yeah, this was a nice one here, right? A 10? Or where did you did? Short. Okay, so 5 minutes. Okay, where did you see the retest on a short? Let me see. So you marked this area. Which area you marked? Here you saw the retest? Let me see. Here, right? This short you took? It also was on 1 minute. Look, this one. Break and retest. Beautiful. And it goes up. right here, and it also a W. Good evening from Vietnam. Good evening, Scotty. Very, very nice. I'm glad you guys follow the strategy and it works for you. I'm really glad. Really, really happy when I hear those things. And it makes it nicer because when you know you make a strategy that a lot of people can follow, because that's the trick. Let's go back to the US. That's the trick. A lot of strategy work. Majority of the strategies that you can see on YouTube and majority works at least 50% of the times in order to be consistent. But the tricky part is when you apply it. Can you apply it? So this is pretty easy. I think a lot of people can apply it. $68.51 is a resistance level. I have resting orders to sell in that area. Problem is this cash grid up could just slowly go higher and higher all day. S&P? You said S&P, yeah. So you're in a short now? US30 bearish on 15 minutes, bullish on 4 hour. Don't forget the trend is changing from down up. So if it's bearish on 5, 1, 15, and then it gets to the 30, 1 hour, till it gets to 4 hours. Oh, if it's actually. Oh, this you went along. Look at this. W retest EMA, beautiful entry right here. I had a hair on my mouth. I'm looking to reverse at around 51. 51 what? Maybe here, the next area. Can make it a little longer till it retests the area. What am I doing? What am I doing? Here we go. Here. Your time runs out in 5 minutes. Why, you trading options? Yeah, that would be the next area I'm watching on ES, on S&P. Let's go back to my Dow. I want to take a short. I need to break the blue line for the short. This was the area from yesterday, high, and I can see it rejected it, but I need a price below the EMA, a full candle. Full candle. Oh, how long do you give your trades? That's interesting. Based on what you give them the time? Like, how do you decide if this trade gets all day or if it gets 15 minutes? Taste the pain. Moment in time. Script automatic. I'm still doing some things here with a live. Today I had bought a right on market open and then proceed to mess that trade up by selling too soon. Oh yes. Ah, you sold here. You open it at 9:30 here. I bought right at market open. You sold too soon. You couldn't know. At least you got a profit, right? Gold bearish. Let's look at the gold for my friend Rus. Let's see how the gold reacts here. Here, it's getting there soon. You might want to retest the EMA and go down. This is on 5 minutes. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna react around this area. As it stands now, it's a uptrend here. If you want to scalp it a little, you can. My dreams are hard. Yeah. He's like, no, I am trust. No. Oh, trust. Oh, I'm gonna call you by your name, Rus. Because Rus is it's a popular name in Romania. I'm just gonna call you Marian. I'm getting to look to get short on yes. Yeah, depends what's your strategy. I don't know if it's gonna happen in the next 5 minutes, a short. I don't think it's gonna happen in 5 minutes. Let me put gold. Let me put it at the red here, so I have it at the red. Here we go. What you want me to look? I'm not sure I've looked at that. Marcan, I don't know what you want me to look. FVG, what's FVG? I'm looking for a short Sue, Papa Giorgio, here, Dow. short if it breaks this blue line right here. I go short. If it breaks this area and give me a retest, I go long. Probably it's just a consolidation and I don't know, we'll see. We will see. Papa Giorgio, if you go in a trade, let me know. Is anybody in a trade? You know, I said let's do today 1 hour earlier. Maybe the market will move. The market moved at the open till I start going live. Same like yesterday. Till I start. It's like a curse for me. Let me put the S&P here so I can watch it. Instead of green, I put it on red. Okay. In the meantime, I sing for you guys. Let's see, I want to take a trade today, for real, for real. Because tomorrow I'm not coming live. Christmas is coming. I'll take a break till Monday, what's tomorrow? Wednesday. I'm thinking actually, maybe tomorrow I'll do the open. Is it market open tomorrow? 24. Yeah, probably is. But definitely on Christmas, Thursday, Friday, I'll take a break. And then I'll see you back on Monday when the rally should start, or the slide. We'll see. Santa wants to go up or he just want to slide. Ah, you went into short? Okay, I have started to scale into my short. Let's see. Papa Giorgio is going in a short. What happened with my levels? Short, yes. 6 ES. Ah, you are a ES. 4-7. I don't like when it's different numbers. It's 4-7 here. Papa Giorgio went short here. Yeah, but did you see something on the footprint or why? What was your reason why you got in? Stop over 5-3. Oh, okay. 5-3. European close. They close at 12 soon. Profit taking. Interesting. Okie dokie, we're gonna go short soon, guys, but remember, I want to break this area. I want to break this area and take a 2. Here we go. It will be somewhere here. It's not broken the area yet. It's not broken yet. Let's see, is this gonna broke or no, guys? My stopper at break even. So you are in profit. What about if you put your stop loss here? Here. 50. 950. That's great. No risk left in a trade. Show me nothing but yeah, in order for me to go short on ES, I need break of this area and the EMA. Because you can see here, it rejected the EMA nicely, so let's see when it's gonna touch it again, how it's gonna act. Yeah, it just looks like he wants to consolidate, takes his time. Yeah. It might bounce. it's moving so slow. I'm watching it for you. I'm also watching the Dow. I have it on this screen here, so if I see something happen, I'll just switch to the Dow. Hurt me. I don't need you no more. No more. You show me nothing but hate. But it comes around, comes around. Don't hurt me. I don't need you. Oh, here we go. It broke the gold. Oh, Marianne, you were asking me about the gold. It broke the trend line. It did reject the EMA, but if it's going to reject the trend line soon, you can go in a short. Very slow. Like, I prefer sometimes just, okay, it's hit my stop loss. Do something, then just move like this. Basically, don't move. I've got ice in my vein. Here we go, your ES touched. It touched the EMA. Let's see. Papa. Touch the EMA. Yeah, I said it did break the trend line. If it's gonna reject the trend line, you wanna go in a short. You see, it did this kind of here. Pam pam pam, trend line, it break and rejected it, retested it. You want in a long. So if it's gonna happen the same here, you wanna go probably in a short, maybe till around this area. Let's see. Mr. Gold, Obraznik, Mr. Gold. Are you in a trade, Marianne? I think you told me you trade Euro USD. You told me that. an alarm here, the gold, if when it gets there. Papa Giorgio, what happened with the S&P? Here we go. It looks like it kind of retested the EMA, but did you close it? It touched back your was the gold. Here we go. Shh. Yeah, if it breaks back the trend line, just go up. It looks like the EMA is acting as a support. But not yet, it didn't break it back. Let's see. Not yet, not yet. New flat. It rejected EMA, right? Yep. Maybe going along now. Wait to break here and go up. Wait to break this line here and take a long. Here we go, like that. Here we go. Now you can take a long here on the gold. And just, but risk very little. You wanna take? Let's go a little bit. Just for fun. Look, I'm risking. Let me risk $50. $50. Here we go. But watch how it's gonna react around this white line. Break even trade, that's not bad. I mean, it's not bad at all. It's like you never got in a trade. I'm putting an alarm at Dow. Let me go S&P. If it breaks this, I want to go in a long, but let's see. Marianne, did you sell the gold trade or no? Or are you just watching it just for fun, like me? No, I said Marianne. The real trust, his name is Marianne. Oh, you are Maria, the one that you text me on the Instagram. Yeah. You done, that's good. So yeah, the reason I took the gold was because I saw the rejection of a EMA and then it break back the trend line here. So that means this was a fake breakout. So fake breakouts means it's gonna go back up. At least till the white line. At least till the white line. We'll see. I kind of put this take profit too much because I put 4.5. It's usually 2. Hey guys, put 2. 2 is here. Confirm. You see? My voice is uptrend. I have to entertain a little bit. I'm listening to music. Here we go, it's approaching the white line. So let's see how is what's doing on 15 seconds. Because if I see something around here in 15 seconds, I might just exit. This is yes. Let's see. Look, US30 just mumbling, drumbling around. Okay, so here, this area I'm waiting to break this area. Oh, here we go, it's going. The gold is going. You know what I have to work on, guys? Because my strategy is always 1 to 2, but I have to learn how to trail. You know, like for example, right now it's gonna soon touch my take profit. I just feel like I want to move it a little bit more up, but I have to learn that. Like, okay, so I'll move the stop loss here, and take profit, I move it a little bit more up. Let's see if it's gonna work. Or you just gonna touch my 2 and that's it? You know, I need to learn that a little bit, how to do that. If you have any advices how you can do that. Don't forget, I only risked $50. $50 to make 100. If it's gonna go there. Scotty, have a great day trading. I'm off to bed, almost midnight here. Hope to catch you again next stream. Good, have a good night, Scotty. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow. Says greedy. I know, right? But there is a way to do that. Like, you know, you just keep trailing it. Here we go. Now I move it here. Pa. I'll see you tomorrow, Scotty. Tomorrow I'll do it 10. No, tomorrow I'll do for you market open, guys. Tomorrow 9:30. Tomorrow I'm doing the market open. Because I'm sure nothing is gonna happen after 10:30. Nothing is gonna happen. People are going to get their food to cook for Christmas. They're not gonna have time to trade. Hello, how can I pronounce your name? Mararani. Now it's 11:51, so it's about midnight here. So if it's about midnight, you're Finland, you say? What you said? You watch me? Oh, Vietnam. So probably it's 12 hours between us. So your time zone will be 9:30 p.m. Aniket, okay. Nice to meet you, Aniket. Yeah, you're Vietnam. And now in Vietnam is 11:52 p.m. Almost midnight. 23:52. Yeah, so it's exactly 12 hours between us. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, sorry. You see, it's such my take profit that I moved. So I'm gonna move this here. So tomorrow 9:30 p.m. your time, 9:30 a.m. my time, I'll be here. Here we go. I'm gonna be more greedy, and I'm gonna move my stop loss, take profit, my initial take profit. What do you think about that, Marianne? Beautiful. Yes, win, win, win. No, just win, win, win. Wish me some losses too, don't. Because win, win, win can also fuck up my brain. Here we go. Now we're gonna move it here. Stop loss. Take profit. Stop. It's a stop loss. Ooh. It's such my take profit. Beautiful. Trade on gold, guys. Hi, Alpesh. You late, Alpesh. What's going on? You know, when I was thinking, where is Alpesh? Yeah, the gold just take my profit. Hit my take profit. Let me see how much it says. Jeez, this was paper trading. You know what's funny? Well, I didn't even realize I'm on a paper trading. I thought I'm on my live account, my cash account. That's why I was just risking $50. I could have risked 1,000. I really thought I'm on my cash account. That's why I risked $50. I was on a paper trading. God. Where do you want me to look, Mariette? Look at the gold. Which? Santarella and gold, yeah. He bought gold to make the, how you call sanye in English? Help me. Sanye. Not slide. Slay. Okay, we're done with the gold. Where do you want me to look at, Maria? NQ? Yeah, here they give you break this area, give you the retest, price above the EMA, bank. Just Dow doesn't do nothing. Look at it. The US30 doesn't do nothing. What is the US doing? Yes. Break it up, it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. No, it was nice. So the entry will be, retest right here will be the entry. Let's see if it gets to 2. Charlie, I'm curious if it's gonna go. So it's supposed to be at the open of this. You know, cause I didn't really test my strategy on like NQ or ES, so I don't know if on those instruments it touched the 2 profit, but you know, you can always use this strategy and just trail, move the stop loss, you know, take 1 to 5, 1.5, take the 1 if it doesn't touch the 2. Now 12 is coming. Let's see if we have a move at the European close. still watching Dow US30 on my computer here, but nothing. This might be the Santa rally. Starting to happen. What happened with the gold? Oh, you see? Look at this. I take profit right here at this. That's where I took the profit and it started going down. That's funny. Went from here to here. Ooh, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Bam, bam, bam. Now on ES, I could consider this a retest of this area, right? So let me see. I might take a buy right here. Let me see this candle to consider a retest. I need this candle to be bigger than this red candle. But yeah, for how long do you trade? Hey Mao, what's poppin'? You late too. What's going on, guys? I think you thought that I'm gonna be here at 12. But tomorrow I'll be here at market open. I'll do the market open tomorrow. So we have some action, because I am sure nothing is gonna happen after that. So my only chance for something to happen is the market. I have a bad trade in stocks. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. We call that a lesson. You know, we have the winning days, we have the lesson days, and protect capital days. We have 3 days in trading. We don't call it losing day. It's lesson day. I'm going on 3 years. Nice. And are you profitable? Are you struggling? I've been going on my third year I started to level up, like, you know, mentally. 3 years and a half kind of took me. Okay. Keep the good work, Maria. And don't forget, it's okay to have. Don't forget, it's okay to have losses. It's okay. You know what happened for me? I used to have the trading platform on my phone everywhere, right? So it really helped me when I deleted from my phone, and when I will have a bad day, I'll just get out of the house. And the fact that I didn't have it on my phone, and I'm bad at remembering passwords and things like that, and however, I will just stay away from it. I'll take the loss, and because I didn't have it on my hand to go back in, it helped me. It helped that. So if you feel like you wanna revenge trade, delete. Just leave your account on your computer, and that's it. Here, 4 years and loss. So you're still in loss? That's not, man. For some people take 10 years. Marianne, put it this way: we go to college, to university for 4 years to learn whatever. Not 4 years is minimum, or 3 years. I was at Polytechnic 4 years, but if you want to do a master, a doctorate, you go to school for 10 years at least in order to build a career. So think of those 4 years as you go to school, a university. Deci you didn't got on n-ai intrat la, I'm talking to you in Romanian, n-ai intrat la buget, ai intrat la taxă pentru aia 4 ani. Plătești taxa. You pay the tuition for those 4 years that you go to school. So, and here in America, it costs so much to go to school. See it that way. Begging with Bitcoin. You still trade Bitcoin? Let me ask you, Marion, what made you starting this? Like, what made you go into trading? Okay, so Maria, so I drew out my level using yesterday high and used that level based on that entry this morning. It was on the top of the 15 minutes and above the EMA, so I used perfect. Hate Bitcoin. It has SOC 3. Yeah, that's why I want all the confirmation. I want the break, retest, and the EMA. but this is break and retest, but you also have just the retest strategy where the price gets to a area, the higher from yesterday, and you see it retest that area, right? So now when I see that, I'm waiting for the price to go below or above the EMA, and then I take the trade. So break and retest is one, just retest and EMA, it's another one. But you need to look for a strong area, like a strong demand or supply zone, where the price reacted strongly before, because sometimes that's what happened. Let me show you an example. Look, for example, here I'm on NQ, Maria, if you pay attention. Okay, I'm going to 5 minutes. You can see this is a demand zone. So you draw your level right here before the market open, right? So you see this is a demand zone. You put the candle where the move starts. So the move start right, this candle, this green candle right here, this is where the move start. So you include these candles right here, you draw it, drag it, and then you go to 1 minute. This is a strong area because you see when the price touch this area, even at the market open, it pulls strongly up. So going to 1 minute, you see this area, you see the price rejected this area, the price went be above the EMA right here, a full candle. So you'd say you get in. Where is you go in, you almost touch your stop loss, but you go with it too. Okay, so this area is like this. You see this candle? You include the full candle. Include the full candle, stop loss below. Almost, it went in a drawdown, but it ended up the two. You see? So this is just to retest a strong area, and also you wait for the price to go above the EMA. This is same kind of strategy, but you don't wait for the break. That area was also the golden pocket. Here we go. Then you have another reason to get in. And also it forms the W pattern. WM, head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders. Those are one of the strongest patterns. Alpesh, today you made losses again. Let's see if we put a Fibonacci here. Where is the Fibonacci? Here we go. Beautiful. So you have plenty reasons to go in. Okay guys, it's 12:15. I wanted to see if it's gonna touch the 2 here on NQ using the strategy, because NQ, you could see it gives us nice entries today with this strategy, but it's struggling. It's very close to it. I'll probably take the profit long time ago. And here, if it breaks this, to go in a long in ES. But that's it for today, because it's been an hour and 15 minutes. Alpesh, it doesn't exist. I'm not made for this. It exists what you set your mind to be. You know, just really, because how I told you yesterday, take a break. Take a break till after the holiday, reset, back test. You know, it's if you want it to be for you, it's for you, but you just need to switch a little bit your mindset. I'll see you tomorrow, Maria. Oh, it's 9 a.m. in Portland, Oregon. Okay, but tomorrow I'll be here on market open. I'm done trading for today. I'm not trading anymore. I was waiting for, to be very honest, my to go instrument is US30, how you guys know, but it's just bumbling around. And even if it breaks this area right here, at this point I need to break the area and retest it. You know, if it was to just break it here after the first breakout of the EMA, yes, I don't need the retest, because I'm like, okay, broke EMA, it's beautiful. But now it's just consolidating around the EMA, so the EMA for me is not acting as a support or resistance right now. It's just acting as nothing, as a confirmation. So for me to enter a short here, I need to break this area and retest it, which I don't think is gonna happen soon, and I don't want to wait anymore. I'm not disciplined. Okay, disciplined, I'm gonna cover this subject, and I leave. Okay, discipline means, like, if I go to the gym and I eat healthy every day and I wake up early, that doesn't mean I'm disciplined. Because I like working out, I like doing all those things, you know, I like good healthy food, so that doesn't make me disciplined. What makes you disciplined is when you do things that you don't like to do. I'm not disciplined. I really wanted to wake up at 4 a.m. but I don't like to do that. And in order for me to be disciplined, I will have to wake up at 4 a.m. I will call myself, oh, I'm disciplined. I wake up at 4 a.m. every day, even though I don't want to do that. I don't like it, but I'm showing up every day and I'm doing that. So discipline, again, it's a state of mind. You have to do something that you are uncomfortable of doing. And once you do that, that's real discipline. If you like to work out and you work out, that's not discipline. That's just do something that you like. Okay, let's look for my friend Alpesh. I'm gonna look of Nifty and then I'm leaving. I'm gonna go, okay? Okay, 5 minutes. I don't wanna I don't wanna say, but I don't understand, Alpesh, why you trade this Nifty. It looks like it always moves overnight, like when the market opens, that you cannot have access to this, and when you have access, look, ding 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 ding. So discipline is so boring. Okay, 5 minutes. Let me mark some levels here. Here is a support. Clearly this level is a support. Okay, and here you have, this was a fake breakout. If you go to 1 minute, you see as it stands now, the Nifty is reacting to EMA. So EMA is acting as a support, but it fails to broke the lowers. Here we go, it fails to broke this. This is a very complicated, man. Nifty is very complicated. I mean, it just moves like, maybe you should, Alpesh, maybe you should change the instrument. Maybe it's time for you to think to change it. Or maybe it's just all the time I'm looking at it, it doesn't, but other times does move nicely. But look here, the only move you have, it was here. I'm trying to see if my strategy will work on this Nifty. Yeah, you can see this area, right? So when the price retests this area, if you were to look, okay, above the EMA, one candle, here we go, stop below the area, take profit, so it will touch, but you will stay a lot in the position and you will have a lot of drawn here. For example, this one, almost touch it. You know, you have another option here, but same thing. Same here. This one was a little nicer. I cannot say the same thing when you go down. Look. I don't know, Alpesh. It's just very ugly, this Nifty. I'm sorry for you. Here yesterday, same. Or maybe it's just because it's December. Here, what is this? Maybe a retest. You will see here a nice retest of the EMA here. This is a beautiful retest right here. Rejection, sorry. This is not as beautiful because it's bounced around so much. This is not as beautiful because it's under. This is another beautiful one. Touch it nicely. This is not a beautiful one. This is also not a beautiful one. Maybe try the strategy just to follow the EMA with this Nifty. Look here, another beautiful rejection, another beautiful rejection. This is not beautiful. Here another beautiful one. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm leaving too, guys. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow, market open. Enjoy the rest of your day, and what can I say? What else I can say? That's it. Enjoy the rest of your days and trade smart. Patience is the key. Follow your rules, whatever those rules are. And that's it. Oh, you guys missed this trade that I took on gold. Alpesh. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.